Hey foodies, tired of those bland, unhealthy oils ruining your dishes? Let me share my secret weapon, Susu Pure Edible Oils. And guess what? Huge markdowns now for Christmas. Cooking with Susu means pure natural flavors, straight from trusted Nigerian farms. I swapped their generic oil for Susu, and my festive meals transformed. Perfect for frying, baking, or even roasting veggies. Can't settle for less when Susu gives you both deliciousness and peace of mind. Locally sourced, processed right here in Nigeria, supporting our farmers and economy. So why stick with them? Upgrade to Susu Pure Edible Oils today. Snag these incredible Christmas deals and cook like never before. Hurry up, these discounts won't last long.
This is Susu Oil, transforming Africa's edible oil into a global powerhouse. Cheers.